This time I would like to introduce some characters about weather.
天氣，天氣，
The character
天，
was introduced before, meaning sky. The character
氣，
we normally translate it into gas or air. Sometimes it means atmosphere, or something we cannot see. For example,
氣溫，氣溫，氣壓，氣壓，氣象，氣象，氣球，氣球，氧氣，氧氣，氮氣，氮氣，氫氣，氫氣，氣功，氣功。唔怪之得咁熱啦，原來今日嘅最高氣溫有33度啊！唔怪之得咁熱啦，原來今日嘅最高氣溫有33度啊！
The second character is
風，風，
meaning wind. For example,
東南風，東南風，西北風，西北風，颱風，颱風。香港嘅颱風季節係5月至11月。香港嘅颱風季節係5月至11月。
Next is
雨，雨。
it means rain. For example,
橫風橫雨，橫風橫雨。微雨，微雨。毛毛雨，毛毛雨。大雨，大雨。落雨，落雨。今朝出街冇帶遮，好彩返到公司先至落大雨。今朝出街冇帶遮，好彩返到公司先至落大雨。
The fourth character is
雷，雷。
meaning thunder. For example,
狂風雷暴，狂風雷暴。行雷，行雷。雷達，雷達。自1959年，香港天文台已利用天氣雷達作監測天氣及預報。自1959年，香港天文台已利用天氣雷達作監測天氣及預報。
The last one is
電，電。
it means electricity. For example,
閃電，閃電。電子，電子。電影，電影。亂世佳人係其中一套荷里活嘅經典電影。亂世佳人係其中一套荷里活嘅經典電影。
Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.